You can keep your Cochlear Nucleus 7 sound processor operating at peak efficiency by following these simple maintenance steps. Your kit will come standard with a dry and store device. Cochlear recommends placing your processor in the device each night. To use it for the first time, take your dry brick and activate it by removing the sleeve, insert the dry brick, then place your processor inside with the battery removed. Close the lid and press the button on the side to start the drying process. If you are bilateral, you can place both sound processors inside. You'll need to replace the dry brick every 2 months. A helpful tip to keep track is to write the date on the dry brick. Additional dry bricks are available for purchase at the online Cochlear store. Your Nucleus 7 sound processor has a microphone protector that needs to be replaced every 3 months to ensure optimal sound quality. Think of this as you would an air filter for your home. It traps all the dirt and dust and needs to be replaced regularly. Set a reminder to replace them on your smartphone or simply write a note in your calendar. To remove the microphone protector, start by removing the slimline coil. Remove the microphone protector and snap the new one into place. Put the slimline coil back on. Additional microphone protectors are available in your kit or at the online Cochlear store. If you should ever need to change out your magnet, you can do it yourself. Start with removing the magnet. Pinch and twist counterclockwise. To insert the new magnet, start from the top and twist the magnet clockwise until it's securely in place. With basic regular maintenance, you'll ensure your sound processor is functioning properly to help you hear your best.